The Nintendo Switch 2, set to launch on June 5, 2025, introduces several innovative features aimed at transforming gameplay. Most notably, the new Joy-Con controllers can function like computer mice, allowing players to use them on surfaces like clothing or jeans, and include a magnetic attachment and a new C button for Game Chat. Game Chat facilitates advanced social interaction, letting users communicate and share gameplay across different games, with parental controls available for minors. Additionally, a motion tracking camera, sold separately, allows motion-based gameplay, similar to Xbox Kinect, and is compatible with USB-C cameras for added flexibility. Despite occasional tracking issues during tests, the camera-enabled games were engaging and fun. The Switch 2 brings hardware upgrades such as 4K resolution, 120 FPS refresh rate, HDR support, a larger 7.9-inch LCD screen, 2 USB-C ports, 256 GB of storage, and enhanced ergonomics. While slightly heavier, it maintains original comfort levels. The Verge. +3. +3. Reddit. +3. A range of major game titles will launch with the console, including Mario Kart World, Donkey Kong Bonanza, and Hollow Knight, Silksong, among others. Original Switch games will largely be compatible, some with upgrade packs. The Washington Post. +4 News +4. Reddit +4. The console is priced at $699.95, with games between $109.95 and $119.95, reflecting a significant hike over previous models. The Nintendo Switch 2's 8-inch LCD display is a game-changer, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother gameplay and HDR support for more vibrant colors. StealthGaming.net. The Nintendo Switch 2 will have a user interface that's virtually identical to its predecessor, according to a newly surfaced leak. Game Rant. The LCD screen has a 1080p resolution and supports HDR and up to a 120 frames per second refresh rate, with variable refresh rate. The Joy-Con controllers are bigger too, and as hinted at, they can be used similarly to a mouse. Though a footnote says that mouse mode will only work with compatible games. And they stay connected to the Switch 2 via magnet.